Hi, welcome to this third video tutorial on testing. As promised, today I'm going to show you the simple implementation of the brewing unit of the coffee machine that I have done in Java. So I've used the NetBeans. As you can see, if you fire it up, it's loading. Sorry, it will take some time. So here, as you can see, this is how the graphical user interface of the coffee machine look like. It's not exactly like what was shown in the second tutorial, but at least you have this alert area here, and this is the admin button, and here are the different buttons for ordering each type of a coffee. For example, here, and if you want to order a normal coffee without milk, you just click here, and if the administrator want to fill the tanks or make performance administrative task, here you can see you can just come here and edit it, and whenever you click here you will see some of this showing the content, displaying here what is happening, displaying here usually for logging issue purpose. So like right now the amount of water is 3,380. so if you go back and click on it 2 times, it was 3,380. now you can see that it has decreased. And yeah, this little bit how is it going to be. And to get the threshold here, display here, if you just stop it a while and go to the source code and click on threshold, yeah, I already have it here on the threshold class. Here you see the threshold of water is 2000 here. So in order to show you how it will look like, suppose here we have 2,880. so if we reduce it to 2010, just close it. Yeah, just close the application and then keep it to 2010 and save it, and sorry, 2010, save the application, then run it again. That will work. And if we order this normal coffee again, time here, sorry, yeah, if you just perform them like here, maybe, don't know, then okay, go back here and click again. Here you have to do it from the administration here. If you just do it here and click on it, yeah, you can see here now the quantity of the water is below the threshold. Quantity is below the threshold, so you cannot perform anything. So the same thing is happening with anything needing water here. And yeah, this little bit how the coffee machine is working here. And then regarding the implementations, you can just see some class. If you go to the source code here, and here for the database here, I use I'm writing everything on Excel. You just Machine is a little bit slow here. So yeah, you can see here this a little bit database thing is being handled here. You have coffee type, ingredient, and then I'm using this one to load the data. In order to keep track, to save the data, you just use it to load it to the graphical user interface. So this one is performed using POI. I hope that you know POI. This one is POI. Here, POI package. Use this one to handle the Excel sheet for fine manipulation. So I hope you have understood. Everything is clear now, and then here you are going to write some tests. So this little bit a sample application that we use from now on to go through different steps of testing as recommended by the IEEE standards. So thank you once more for watching. And one thing that you will see, and I will show, I have already uploaded the source code here on my Git account, so I will put the link under the YouTube description. So if you want to have this implemented by yourself, you can just come here and clone it, and then feel free to use it at your own risk. So thank you for watching, and then hope to see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.